Hey, today we're going to attend the Mild to Wild swap meet in Salem, Oregon at the fairgrounds in the Columbia Hall. All right, guys, here we are at the Mild to Wild swap meet in Salem, Oregon at the fairgrounds. Actually, a pretty nice little swap meet here today. Looks like a good turnout. They sold out almost every booth that they had. A lot of stock car oriented stuff, but yet there's a lot of other stuff here that you find mingled in with the other parts that are pretty cool. So, like I say, it's a lot of round stuff there. Pretty cool sprint car. Corvette for a raffle. Some different taste to it. A little bit of drag race stuff here. And back there's a couple of pretty nice looking Camaro fenders for $75 a piece. It's an old, what would you say, 53, 54 Ford F-150. Here's a complete Ford 9-inch Heights independent rear suspension setup with dual coilovers.
Hey there. What the heck you doing? What did they get?
Here's a complete rebuilt 12-bolt out of an old Cutlass, about a 1970, I'd say. This gentleman had a couple of very nice bumper cars from 1953. He wanted $4,500 each for them. They appeared to be restored very nicely. Lots of Chevrolet high performance parts here. Saw several 4-speeds, a lot of bell housings, including a 421 11-inch bell housing, and again, a lot of stock cars. This gentleman was anxious to sell these ATV tires and wheels. He had half dozen sets, and he just marked them down to a very good price, and we ended up taking them off his hands.
There's a rag right over there. On the other side of the stack of tires.
The mild to wild swap meet today in Salem, Oregon was pretty good. Most of the stuff was stock car related, round and round type stuff, which I don't have a whole lot of use for. However, at all swap meets, there's extra things there that does fit my interest. Did end up buying a fender, a door, and a front bumper for Sean's Monte Carlo race car. They'll be running at Lebanon later this year. And he also ended up buying 4 sets of ATV tires on there. Jared has a tire store that he can sell them at. There were some pretty super buys on those. But all in all, it's a good little swap meet. Just fun to get out and go to a swap meet. Haven't been to one because of COVID for a long time. So it was good to get out and go to that. And there was a very good crowd, a lot of people there, and really enjoyed it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would, please hit that like button. That'd really help us out. Thank you very much.